On a stormy night, a struggling writer named Lucas discovered an old typewriter at an estate sale. Its keys were unnervingly cool to the touch, and an odd, unnatural chill filled the air when he brought it home. That evening, as thunder rattled the windows and rain lashed against the glass, Lucas sat at the typewriter, desperate for inspiration. But when he pressed the keys, they moved on their own, clacking out words in a strange language he didn't recognize. The lights flickered violently. Lucas's hands trembled uncontrollably as the message slowly translated itself. "I am watching. Finish my story or suffer my fate." Terrified, Lucas tried to pull away, but the typewriter forced his fingers to move. He wrote out a chilling tale of betrayal, murder, and a vengeful spirit, details he could never have known. Each morning, new pages appeared on the desk, written in his own handwriting. Shadows twisted and danced in the corners of his vision, and faint whispers echoed through his apartment's empty halls. Lucas soon realized the typewriter had belonged to a writer who vanished decades ago, her fate sealed by an unfinished story. Now, Lucas is trapped, cursed to write endlessly, as the typewriter waits patiently for its next victim.